Hi everybody and welcome back to the Walrow & Co channel. Now today I've got another maths video for you. And today's maths video is focusing on subtraction. Subtracting, taking away. You might know it as different things, but we're going to call it subtraction today. And we are going to do some winter subtraction because it has been quite cold recently and we are still in winter. So I'd like to say thank you to Twinkle who have made this PowerPoint that we're going to be using today and helping us to learn subtraction. Now, I've got some questions that I need your help with today to help me learn the answer, to help me find the answers to these really difficult questions. But I know that everyone watching is a real maths master, so I know that you'll be able to help me. So the question says, 4 snowmen have been built. Shall we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1 snowman melts. How many are left? So we had 4. We can see them. 1, 2, 3, 4. We had 4. But one of them melts. So unfortunately, should we put one of our fingers down? Which one should we choose? Which snowman's going to melt? I think it's this one. So how many are we left with, everyone? 1, 2, 3. Shall we check if that's right? One's disappeared and melted. So we can also write 4, because we had 4 to start with, didn't we? Then we take away 1 equals 3. So we had our 4, and we take away 1, so that we're left with 1, 2, 3. Now you might like to pause this video and have a go at writing that number sentence yourself. But we had 4, and we lost 1 snowman, so we were left with 3. Okay, so we haven't got snowmen anymore. We've got woolly hats. And it says Tommy owns 3 woolly hats. That's a lot of woolly hats. He sells 2 of them. How many does he have now? Let's have a think. So on the screen we've got 1, 2, 3. These are Tommy's woolly hats. He's got 3. But he's going to sell 2 of them. How many fingers do you think I need to put down if he sells 2 of them? I think you're right. I think I need to put down 2 of my fingers. 1, 2. So how many hats is Tommy left with? Shall we try that again? There was 3 and he sold 2. 1, 2. How many is he left with? Just 1. Shall we check if that's right? Sold that one and he sold that one. So he's left with 1, and we can write that as 3 take away 2 equals 1, because this sign here, this symbol here, is our subtraction sign. It's our take away sign. 3 subtract 2 equals 1. So you might like to pause the video and have a go at writing that yourself. And at 3 take away 2 equals 1. Okay, this time we have got 5 cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's correct. But they're all stuck in the snow. But 1 car manages to get out of the snow. So how many cars are buried now? Let's use our fingers to help us. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers, which represent the 5 cars. Now one of them managed to escape and get out of the snow. So how many fingers should I put down if 1 manages to escape? I think you're right, 1. Because we've got to pretend that one of these cars, it could be any one of these, has disappeared. So if I put my hand over this one because it escaped, and then we counted 1, 2, 3, 4 would be left. So we take our 5 cars, we put 1 down, this one's going to escape. So we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cars should be left in the snow. Shall we have a look? Oh, it's that middle one. It's driven away. So the answer was 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we can write that as our number sentence like this. 5 take away 1 equals 4. You might like to have a go at writing that yourselves. Okay, now we've got how many snowflakes? Can you count the snowflakes for me on the screen? 1, 2, 3. So we've got 3 snowflakes and they've fallen from the sky. Unfortunately, they all melt on the floor. how many snowflakes are left. So we had 3, and all of them melt. 1, 2, 3. They've all melted. So how many have I got left? Let's try that again. We've got 3. 1, 2, 3. And they all melt. We're left with 0. Nothing. Oh no. Should we check if that's right? They've all gone. The answer's 0. So they can also be written like this. 3 take away 3 equals 0. Can you believe that all of the snowflakes melted? Let's see what's going to happen with these sledges. So can you count how many sledges we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we've got 4 sledges. Now these 4 sledges are left outside in the snow. That's not good. But 2 of them are found and taken inside. So some friends have clearly been outside having some fun on their sledges and they've left them outside. But 2 of them, someone's found and brought them inside because they'd be much safer inside. So how many are left outside? So we had 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. But 2, 1, 2, let's put them down. 1, 2. 1, 2. How many have we left outside? Count my fingers with me. 1, 2. So we've left 2 outside. So there were 4. And this one's come inside and this one's come inside. And we've left these 1, 2 outside. 1, 2. So we're left with 2 sledges. So this can also be written as 4 take away 2 equals 2. Maybe you'd like to have a go at writing that number sentence yourself. Okay, now we've got 2 fires burning. Let's warm up our hands. It is cold at the moment. So we're really lucky. We've got 2 fires burning, so we are really warm and toasty. But unfortunately, one of the fires is going out. So we had 2. And we're going to take away one of those fires. So one of those needs to go out. So how many are we left with? How many fires have I got? 1. Should we see if that's right? It's 1. So this can also be written as our number sentence. We had 2, but this one's gone out. So 2 take away 1 equals 1. That's the end of our PowerPoint for today. And it's the end of our maths video for today. So I hope you managed to learn a little bit about subtraction. And I hope you enjoyed learning about our numbers and our different number sentences. And maybe you'd like to go back and practice writing them. And maybe as a challenge, you could write your own number sentences using our subtraction symbol and come up with some amazing number sentences to show me. I would be so impressed. Let's see if you could make some number sentences, finding different numbers that subtract to 6 or 7. So which different number sentences? So the answer, I want to be 6 or 7. Or maybe you could come up with your own stories like we did there and make your own number sentence stories to do with subtraction. I hope to see you all very soon. Take care. Bye.